Hey guys, welcome to question MM370 of the Maths Methods Fortify study guide. So, a supermarket wants to be 95% sure that at least 90% of their customers are satisfied with their shopping experience. The number of surveyed customers needs to be at least K to achieve this confidence level. The value of K is closest to. Alright, awesome. So, as soon as we see this, we know that we're dealing with stats. So, as soon as we see confidence interval, confidence level, that sort of thing, we're dealing with stats. So, what we're really saying here is that we've got a 95% confidence interval, and that's equal to at least 90%, okay? So at least 90% really means from 90 to 100%. That's our interval, right? So from 90% to 100% is our confidence interval, or 0.9 to 1, right? So this is actually our confidence interval right here, and that's our 95% confidence interval. So what we're trying to find is the number of customers that need to be surveyed, or the number of the population, right, or the sample space, I guess. Now, so this is our confidence interval right here, and we also know that our confidence interval is given by the formula p hat minus z, p hat 1 minus p hat over n, p hat plus z, p hat 1 minus p hat over n, right? So basically we just need to now sub values in and kind of get this equation going. So because this is our lower bound and this is our lower bound and this is our upper bound and this is our upper bound, we can say that this bit here, just this one part here, is equal to 0.9, okay? So therefore 0.9 equals p hat minus z outside of root p hat 1 minus p over n. Awesome. Now what we're going to do is create a new section over here, and we're going to sub in values here, right? So we know that 0.9 is just 0.9, that's fine, equals our p hat. So p hat always lies halfway between the lower and upper of the confidence interval, right? So it lies halfway between 90% and 100%, which is 95%, which means that our p hat is 0.95, okay? So whenever we deal with our p hat, if you've got a confidence interval, you just find the halfway point between those. Now, minus z. So our z value corresponds to the level of confidence that we have, right? So a 95% confidence interval relates to a value of z for 1.96, okay? I'm going to talk about this in later videos, but because this is just 95%, 1.96 is just assumed knowledge that you would know that. When it's a different confidence level, you have to do kind of a calculation, but I'll show you how to do that later. So our p hat, again, is 0.95, then 1 minus 0.95 over n, okay? And that's it. So now that n is our only unknown, we can actually just plug this into our CAS and solve for n. So solve for n in CAS. What this does is spits out n equals 73. So therefore, k equals 73. So our answer is C. Guys, that's it for MM370. If you have any questions about confidence intervals, confidence levels, any of that sort of stuff, please put them in the comments below and I'll answer them as soon as possible. But otherwise, thank you very much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.